There are many great tasting pizzas in the world, but it's the wood-fired style Neapolitan that's often proclaimed as the benchmark for pizza making. Perfectly cooked crust with leopard spotting, charred base, and gently cooked toppings are normally achieved by using a wood-fired oven that cooks the pizza at extremely high temperatures in under 2 minutes. The problem with brick ovens are they take up a lot of space, take a long time to heat up, aren't very convenient, and they can cost thousands of dollars. This got us thinking, what if you could replicate the heat performance of a wood-fired oven in a compact countertop oven? Pizzaiolo delivers a world-first innovation at home. The first domestic countertop oven to reach 750 degrees Fahrenheit, which cooks a wood-fired style pizza in under 2 minutes. Our patented ElementIQ system and design allows the Pizzaiolo to replicate the performance of a wood-fired pizza oven. Using our ElementIQ system, the Pizzaiolo steers power where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment. When you put your pizza into the oven, the deck releases its conductive heat, cooking the base to the desired finish with just the right amount of char. The optimised deflector geometry technology delivers 750 degrees of ambient heat, the same as a wood-fired pizza oven, ensuring toppings are not burnt and they do not need to turn your pizza whilst cooking. The innovative incoloy heater with variable watts density provides intense, direct heat, resulting in an airy, soft crust with leopard spotting. The Pizzaiolo with ElementIQ system also creates the ideal cooking environment to make New York, thin and crispy, pan, and frozen pizzas. We believe the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is a breakthrough for the home pizza maker. You no longer need a large brick oven to enjoy your favourite wood-fired style pizza at home.